Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are creating a form without Elementor Pro being installed. So what we have to have installed is Elements Kit. Then under Elements Kit, click Forms. Then under Forms, make sure that you have MetForm installed. So if you have that installed, go to the page where you need to create a form, refresh it. Then after refreshing, it will give you a blank space like this. So click on Add section, design your section. For example, adding the padding. Click on it, then come to the search widgets, then you type MetForm. Here it is. It will give you like something like this. So you can either edit the form here and select new one. You may use these pre-built forms, the demos, or you can build yours from scratch. So for now, I will just use one from these ones, but you can still build the one from scratch. So click here, then edit the form. The form will populate like this. This is how the form will look like. So if you need to add anything here, all this can be edited. First name, you can change from here, or you need to add more widgets. For example, what do we need to add? We need to add a URL. Drop it there. Then you can copy this style and paste it on this one. You can style it the way you feel like. Then it will look like that. Then you can add a bit of padding at the bottom, like that, like 15. Then you update. After updating, you can update this side too. Then you will have the form here. Then you can update this. You can reuse this form the way you feel like. You can even change this, the title. You can even duplicate this, and so that you can design the other side and add what you need, feel like. So you can even change the background. So that's how you can create a form without using Elementor Pro. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.